Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. So I'm Gina and here we talk about all things family, faith, and health. So if you're interested in any of those things, go ahead, subscribe and hit the like button so you can keep seeing more of my content. Okay, so today we are going to do a very simple body wash. I should say I'm also a certified holistic health coach, but as with anything that we make on here, you need to check and make sure you're not allergic to it. Definitely do all that good stuff. A body wash, and this body wash you can make in a few minutes, you guys. You'll see how simple it is once we get into it. I do want to tell you guys about this book in case you are new to essential oils and you want to know more about essential oils. If you're allergic, what things are good for. It tells you, just like for basil, it'll say what basil is for, okay? So you know what to put in your body products or what to put in your cleaning products. That way you have a good understanding of maybe some reactions or anything. Put it in my blog. So everything that we mentioned in the video today, if you're interested in purchasing or you're interested in knowing more about it, it's going to be on my blog. I'll leave a link for you right there and you'll be able to get everything and all the information. Also, I have a Facebook group. It's called Empowered Her. I'll leave the link in the description there. The only thing that I didn't mention in the video, because we're going to get into it really quickly, is this vanilla oil. Oh my gosh, y'all, this smells so good. So my body wash that I made, it's a coconut body wash, but this coconut and vanilla, I should say, this right here, oh my gosh, I wish y'all could smell it, you guys. It smells like you're baking, or it smells so good. But I use this in the body wash. I also use this in all of my body products. So like if I'm just going to be doing like an oil or whatever for my skin, I like to layer it. So it's in my body wash, and then I also do like a little perfume. But y'all, we'll get to all of that. I'll do videos on all of that stuff so that you can make things yourself. Let's get into this good video, you guys, so y'all can smell like coconut and vanilla. Oh, it smells so good. My husband's like, oh girl, what you got on? I'm like, yeah, I did that. I made that. So y'all gonna love it, all right? Let's get into it now.
Listen